Hi everyone, today is 27th of January. It's already 10 days after the storm comes to St. John and Newfoundland, and people are back to normal operations. Schools open, shops open, superstores open, everything's like normal. You can see there's still a lot of snow up there. They clean a lot, and yeah, finally they're back to normal after 10 days in emergency. You see the snow there when I use the GPS to find the house, and it says that you get your destination, but I looked around and can't find the house. Oh, the snow then. So funny. Please, and see you in the next videos.